One of the hottest topics, most controversial topics when it comes to home insurance is the home insurance company required to replace all four sides of your siding when you are hit by hail? And the answer is they're actually not, at least not in this state of Minnesota. Most of our companies do. Most of the time when hail comes to town, two sides of your home are damaged. And most of our companies, Travelers, Nationwide, auto owners, they will replace all four sides, but that's because how they handle it. But they're really not required to. And should the insurance company really be required to replace siding that isn't damaged? I would say they're not. Yes, it's true that siding might not be made anymore. It's not the same shade of color. That's true. But should the insurance company be required to replace something that's not damaged?